Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to our great show. In our show, we have dancers, singers, jugglers, magicians, and clowns. It's the best show in the world. We hope you enjoy it and have a lot of fun. The first one coming are the Pinilla Magician and Harry Potter the Super Magician. Big applause!
Hello everyone, we are the Pinilla Magician.
And Harry Potter the Magician. Now we are going to show you a fantastic magic trick.
For that, I need my cards. Please, Harry, give me the cards. To start with, I need one volunteer. Now, I'm going to show you 16 cards. Now please think about one card, but don't tell me. Are you ready? Which line is it? The first line.
We are going to show you existing cards again. magicians, we have our funny clown, Mr. Bean and Tony. Big applause! And then the super dancers are going to show us dancing in the show dance. Have you enjoyed it? Big applause!
When you hear the marching band, stamp your feet and clap your hands. Roll up, hurry to see the show. All the fun of the circus
In your wonderful show.
Singers and clowns, magic and animals too. Buy a ticket, tell your friends the Teenage Troupe are here again. Roll up, hurry to see the show. Circus in a wonderful show. Singers and clowns, magic and animals too. When you hear the marching band, stamp your feet, clap your hands. Roll up, hurry to see the show. I'm singing in the show, just dancing in the show. What a wonderful feeling, I don't want to go. Elbows out. I'm singing in the show, just dancing in the show. What a wonderful feeling, I don't want to go. Elbows out. the show. What a wonderful feeling. I don't want to go. Elbows out, knees bent, bottom out, turn around. Shoot, 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 shoot. I'm singing and dancing in the show.
Great job! And now four magnificent jugglers are here, and they are Freezer, Gohan, Charlie, and Thor, and they are Jaffray. Big applause!
With the catch away, the mice are playing.
Let's make something easy with one ball.
And now, more difficult, with two balls. Three balls. And finally something incredible. Silence, please, we need concentration. Oh no! Our balls! Thank you very much. Wow, it was a very difficult activity. Yes, but now Coco and Paul the magicians are here. Big applause!
Until we drop the blue sky, when you feel this high, just standing room and be soon.
I'm Coco Magician, and this is my tree. I have 3 cups and 1 ball. Let's put the ball on the first cup. And now the magic works. Tap, tap, tap. The ball is under the first cup.
And this is my tree. Here I have a piece of wire. Look. Out. It's not. But now let's see with I can do. Real magic. Thank you, guys.
Sardine and Cod. Big applause!
Hello, Bud.
Hi, Sardine.
What is this?
It's a mic chair.
Oh, yes.
Yes, come and sit down.
No, 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 no.
Yes, come.
Okay, let's try. I'm going to get you.
And finally, a little bit more magic. Here we have Acheron and Pippi, the great magicians. Big applause! This is special magic trick with numbers. To start, I need one volunteer.
Oh, God.
This one number.
And mine?
Choose one. Now choose another one.
Other one. Other one?
This is the number. Thank you, thank you. Goodbye. And that's all. Thank you for coming to our great show. And now I think we must give a big applause for you.
Did you like it?
Yeah.